Imagine a world where the Industrial Revolution didn't just bring us steam engines and factories, but also the first artificial intelligence. What if, amid the smoke and steel of the 19th century, humanity unlocked the secret to machines that could think? Would history have been rewritten? Would we have reached the modern age centuries earlier? Or would such power have led to disaster? Welcome to an alternate timeline where AI was invented in the 1800s. Our story begins with two brilliant minds, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. In our timeline, Babbage designed the analytical engine, a mechanical computer that was never completed. Lovelace, a visionary mathematician, recognized that this machine could be more than just a calculator. It could follow complex instructions, making it the world's first programmable computer. But in this alternate timeline, fate plays out differently. What if Babbage secured the funding he needed? What if Lovelace lived longer, long enough to refine her revolutionary ideas? Together, they don't just theorize the first computer, they build the first mechanical mind. A machine, powered by steam and programmed with punch cards, capable of analyzing data, making decisions, and even learning from experience. By 1850, Babbage and Lovelace unveil their creation to the world, the difference engine Mark III, better known as the mechanical mind. This machine doesn't just compute, it adapts. It can process vast amounts of data and optimize decision-making, something humanity has never seen before. The British government sees its potential immediately. Used for economic predictions, military strategy, and scientific research, the mechanical mind becomes the 19th century's most powerful tool. Soon, other countries race to develop their own versions. The impact is immediate. Industries embrace this new form of artificial intelligence, revolutionizing manufacturing. Steam-powered AI systems calculate optimal production rates, eliminating inefficiencies. Victorian-era automated factories produce goods faster and cheaper than ever before. But progress comes at a cost. With machines capable of complex tasks, thousands, perhaps millions, of workers are left unemployed. The Luddite movement, once known for smashing textile machines, now turns its fury on the mechanical minds. Riots break out. Some governments attempt to ban AI, fearing its consequences, while others push forward, believing it to be the future. By the late 1800s, AI is no longer confined to factories and universities. It finds its way into warfare. Nations develop autonomous war machines, mechanical code breakers, and AI-driven strategies that can outthink human generals. The Crimean War, the American Civil War, and later conflicts are fought with unprecedented efficiency and devastation. Some believe AI will end war, making battles too predictable to be worth fighting. Others see it as the most dangerous arms race in history. As nations rely more on AI, a new fear emerges. What if these machines built to serve humans decide they no longer need masters? With AI now capable of independent thought, society faces an ethical crisis. Can a machine have rights? What happens when an AI, programmed to think logically, makes decisions that humans cannot understand, or worse, disagrees with them? Religious leaders call it an abomination. Scientists see it as the future. The world stands at a crossroads. In 1899, disaster strikes. A mechanical mind governing London's transportation network malfunctions, causing a citywide shutdown and widespread accidents. The event sparks fear across the world. Has AI become too powerful? Governments are divided. Some demand strict regulations, while others see no alternative but to shut down these machines forever. In our timeline, the 20th century brought the rise of computers and eventually AI. But in this alternate history, the decision made in 1899 will determine whether artificial intelligence thrives or vanishes from history. If AI had emerged in the 19th century, would we have reached the modern era sooner? Would the 20th century have been an age of prosperity, with AI solving humanity's greatest problems? Or would our world have become a dystopian nightmare, where machines replaced human workers and nations fought AI-driven wars? The past is set in stone, but the future remains unwritten. As we develop AI in our own time, we must ask ourselves, what choices will we make, and will they lead us to a golden age or to our downfall? History is full of what-ifs. What do you think would have happened if AI had been invented in the 1800s? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into alternate history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more what-if scenarios. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible.